Next, let's take a look at how to use filters to quickly find the tasks you're looking for. So this bar right here, these are the filters. You can also hide them by clicking on hide right here, and then you can show them again by clicking on filter. And we're just gonna go from left to right and look at some of the useful filters. So all the way here on the left, we have the group filter, which will determine how your tasks will be grouped. Currently, they're grouped by status, which we can see because we have the to-do group, we have the in review group, and the complete group. But we can also switch it around. So let's say we wanna group them by priority. We can just click on priority here, and then we have the most urgent tasks here at the top, then the high priority below, then normal, and all the way at the bottom are the not so important groups. And we can also use the assignee group so we can see who is responsible for what tasks, or use any of the other groups. I'm going to just set it back to status for now. And again, if you want to reverse the order of the groups, you just come over here again and then click on this group again, and then it will just change the order of the group. So we have the complete status all the way at the bottom again. Then here on the second filter, we can basically expand all of these subtasks at the same time. When we click here, then for all the tasks that actually have subtasks, they will now be visible as well. And when we want to close them again with one click, we can just come over here again and click on collapse all, and then we can only see the main tasks. Then we're gonna move on to the third one here. This is basically the same button as the one we've already looked at, which is this one right here. Here we can basically control all of the custom fields and all of the columns for this list. Then here, the me mode is also very useful. So by activating this mode, you're just gonna see all the tasks where you are assigned. So if you just want to see all the tasks where you actually have to do something, then you can just activate the me mode. Then if you just want to see all of the tasks of a specific team member, you can just click on this button here, then choose your team member, and you're just going to see all of their tasks. And then we already looked at this one here. So if you want to have all of the completed tasks visible, you want to activate this. But if you just want to not see all of them, then you can just click on this X icon, and the completed tasks will now not be visible anymore in your list. And then we also have a more advanced filter for very specific ones. So when we click on this one right here, then we can get really specific. So for example, let's say we want to filter all the tasks which are due in the next 7 days. We can choose due date here and say is, and then let's say next 7 days. And then we just get all the tasks which are due the next 7 days. And we could even add more filters on top of this one and add a new filter here. Maybe we also just want to see the ones that have the highest priority. So let's say priority is, let's say urgent. And then we're just left with one task. And to remove this filter again, all we have to do is click on the X right here, and then we're back to normal. Another very easy way to find a specific task is to use the search function. So you can just click on search or click directly into the search field here, and then just type in a specific keyword that you remember of this task, and then it should come up right here.